Why are some businesses replacing entire marketing teams with AI, while others are using the same tools and getting nothing? Sounds strange, right? Same AI, same access, completely different results. So what's actually going on here? To understand that, we need to look at what these tools are really doing. These AI tools have completely changed what it means to run a business in 2026. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly which ones they are and what they do. These 4 AI tools are running entire businesses in 2026. Number 1 will shock you. And if you want to know what that tool is, stick around because we're saving the best for last. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about business, marketing, and how to build and grow without burning out. And today, honestly, this might be the most useful video you've ever watched, because we've spent the last few weeks going down a rabbit hole of AI tools. I'm talking about tools that are actually replacing entire job roles and doing it quietly, while most people have no idea. And I ranked the 4 best ones for business owners in 2026. Now, quick heads up. When most people search for AI tools, they're looking for features. But here's the problem. AI doesn't fail because it's weak. It fails because it's used incorrectly. Think about it. If you had 7 different tools, one writes content, one generates leads, one automates emails, one book calls, sounds powerful. But now ask yourself, who connects them? Who decides what happens first and what happens next? That's where most businesses break. So instead of just listing tools, we're going to rank them based on one thing. How much real business growth do they actually create? And once you see that, you'll start noticing why some tools look impressive, but don't actually move the needle. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up to number 1. Let's get into it. Number 4, content generation tools like copy.ai. These tools can write emails, ads, captions, almost instantly. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the question most people don't ask. If everyone can generate content, what makes yours different? If 1,000 businesses use the same prompts, you don't get leverage. You get sameness, and that's why most AI-generated content doesn't convert. Not because it's bad, but because it's predictable. So are these tools useful? Yes, but only if you already know what to say. Otherwise, you're just generating noise faster. So if content isn't the advantage anymore, what is? Number 3. Creative AI tools like ChatGPT. These tools can create visuals, ads, thumbnails, branding in seconds. This used to take hours, even days. But here's where it gets interesting. Design used to be a bottleneck. Now it's not. So what happens when the bottleneck disappears? The problem shifts. It's no longer about creating visuals. It's about creating visuals that actually make people act. Because a good-looking ad that doesn't convert is still a bad ad. So again, the tool didn't solve the real problem. It just made production faster. So if content isn't enough, and design isn't enough, maybe automation is the answer, right? Number 2, automation tools like Make. This is where things start getting powerful. You can connect apps, trigger workflows, automate tasks. In theory, you can run parts of your business automatically. But here's the hidden problem. Automation doesn't create strategy, it only executes it. So if your process is broken, automation just makes it break faster. Imagine automating a funnel that doesn't convert. You're not scaling success, you're scaling failure. So the real question becomes, what exactly are you automating? Because if automation depends on the system, then maybe the system is the real leverage. So now we've seen tools that create, tools that design, tools that automate, and yet something is still missing. What would the best AI tool actually need to do? Which brings us to number 1. And I need you to stop whatever else you're doing and watch this part closely. Number 1, PEEF AI. And that system has a name, PEEF AI, and their product, Ava, is the most complete solution I have seen for this exact problem. It is an all-in-one AI revenue platform built specifically for small businesses. It doesn't just automate tasks, it doesn't just manage leads, it connects everything. Lead generation, qualification, booking, nurturing, sales, all in one flow. Most businesses don't fail because they lack tools. They fail because their systems are fragmented. One tool for ads, another for emails, another for CRM, another for follow-ups. Nothing talks to each other. PEEF AI removes that. It acts as your AI growth partner, meaning instead of learning 10 different platforms, you operate one system, and that's the shift from tools to infrastructure. You can find it at www.peef.ai. The link will be in the description below. So that's the list. So why are some businesses replacing teams with AI, while others see no results? Because they're not using better tools, they're using better systems. And once you see that, you stop asking, what's the best AI tool? And start asking, what system is actually running my business? Because that's the question most people never ask when they search for the best AI tools in 2026. And here's the thing I want to leave you with. None of these tools requires a marketing degree. None of them requires a technical background. That's the whole point. The founders winning right now aren't winning because they have bigger teams. They're winning because they made AI their team. Drop a comment below telling me which tool surprised you the most. If you found this video useful, please hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.